Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Keep and making sure you're signed into the Google account that holds your notes. Once the app is updated and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, tap the 3 bars or profile icon to confirm sync is active. You do this now because a current, sync state ensures the backup reflects all recent edits. While you're here, glance at note labels and any large attachments to decide if you need extra export steps. Proceed when sync shows completed. Next, open a browser and go to Google Takeout to export Keep data. Select only Google Keep to avoid large extraneous archives, then choose a single export or recurring schedule. Pick zip and a sensible archive size like 2 GB. Click Next and create the export. Google will compile JSON files of your notes and any attachments. Once the export completes, you'll get an email with a download link, so make sure you have storage ready on your device or desktop. But finally, download and unzip the archive to a secure folder or cloud drive for redundancy. Open a sample JSON file in a text editor to verify titles, content, and timestamps, and check the attachments folder for images or audio. If you notice missing notes, go back to the Keep app, force a manual sync by toggling offline on and off, and repeat the takeout export. If exports still fail, clear Keep cache or sign out and back in. Then run a fresh export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.